Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Cadillac CT6 key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick guide will walk you through each step, making the battery replacement process straightforward and easy for anyone to do at home. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and control your smart home. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's fully seated. Finally, test all the key fob functions like locking and unlocking to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.